Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable building KPIs in Retool with live database queries, full guide step by step clearly.
Start by logging into your Retool account.
Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard where you want to build your KPIs.
Click on the Create New button to start a new application.
Choose a layout that fits your needs. You can select from different options available.
In the new application, locate the left sidebar. Find the Resource section in the sidebar to set up your database connection.
Click on Add Resource and select the type of database you are using.
Fill in the required credentials for your database connection. Once the connection is established, you will see your resource listed in the sidebar. Drag and drop a table component onto the canvas from the sidebar. Next, click on the table component to configure its properties. In the right panel, you will find an option to define the data source. Select your database resource from the drop-down menu.
Now, write a live SQL query to fetch the data for your KPI. Take care to structure your query to retrieve the necessary metrics.
Once your query is ready, hit the Run button to test it. Review the results displayed within the table component.
Make adjustments to your query if the results do not meet your expectations.
After verifying the data, go back to the main canvas. Drag and drop a text component to showcase your KPI values. In the text component settings, bind the text to the specific column of your query results. To make your KPIs visually appealing, customize the font size and color in the text settings. Consider adding charts to visualize your KPIs over time.
To do this, drag a chart component onto the canvas.
Select your data source again and set the appropriate metrics for the chart.
Configure the chart type based on your analysis needs.
Adjust the chart's appearance by modifying its styles in the right panel.
After finalizing your design, use the preview feature to see how your KPIs look. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.